Petpooja interface. Interface, in simple terms, is a medium for the user to connect to the digital service. Before understanding Petpooja interfaces, let us understand the Petpooja ecosystem. Petpooja consists of two types of products: self-developed products and third-party integrations. You can buy or procure these products individually, or you can opt for our bundled packs which are available on the website. Now let us understand how can a user access these products. You'll be able to see a chart on my screen, where on the left hand side we have listed down all the operating systems, and on the top row we have listed down the products. The first two rows consist two of our main products, which is the owner's dashboard and Petpooja POS. The third row consists all the other products except these two. Let us start with owner's dashboard. Owner's dashboard is available in the form of web-based application, which is through any web browser. You can simply type in the website and access this product. The second medium or operating system is via our Android-based app. And the third type of operating system is via the iOS-based app. Our second product, which is Petpooja POS, is accessible through Android-based apps, a PC app, a Mac app, and a Linux-based app. All the other products have different requirements as per its use case. To know more about the software, hardware, and operating system requirement, you can navigate to the specific video made for that product. Thank you.